How to fix your hairstyle in minutes or even seconds. So let's just say you've got a hairstyle like this, and it's kind of like you wake up in the morning, you have some challenges with it, it may be a little bit dull, or you feel like, oh, my hair is kind of boring. I mean, even this looks pretty good. Let's try to make this even worse. So it's somewhat flat to your head. Well, here is the one thing that I can suggest, and you're rushing out the door, maybe you have 5-10 minutes max to get your hair ready. Well, if you've got, bedhead or your hair sticking up someplace, the first thing you really need to do is to dampen it as fast as possible, but in a way that you're going to have some styling aid. That's where 25 spray comes in right here. Now, I do want to let you all know I did update 25 spray, meaning we added a new conditioning agent to it and also made the mist a bit finer. So even though it's a thicker liquid consistency, it's still now going to be easier to spray. So give it a good shake, and what you want to do is give it a couple of spritzes, maybe 3, 4, 5 spritzes, the max, like tops. You don't need more than that. And work it through your hair, the trouble area, as fast as you possibly can. So it's going to not only dampen your hair, which will give you some more control to style it, but it's also adding that conditioning, the volume, because 25 spray literally has 25 benefits in one spray. Typically you would spray this on when the hair is damp, but you can totally use it when your hair is dry. Then what you want to do is take the blow dryer. This is my blow dryer. What you want to do is start to focus the styling and the air on an area on your head that you just don't like. So let's just say, for example, you want this to lay down a bit flatter. So what you want to do is go in and try to work in that one area as fast as you possibly can. So I'm utilizing a raking motion like this, and that raking motion is allowing me to control the hair. Also, the 25 spray, because of all the properties it has, it's allowing me to actually go in and help reduce some of that sticking up, that volume in the hair that maybe you don't want. And now I can easily go in and restyle it. And within literally seconds, remember, you're trying to get this done as fast as possible. Within seconds, you can see from the top camera view how this laid down, even back here. So the hair is no longer sticking up. So, all right, problem 1 solved. Then you're saying, all right, I have 2 things that I want to do. I want to add some volume. I want to have something where I can, have some flexibility to style it later. You've got 2 options. You can utilize my sea salt hair powder. This is Beach House. My new sea salt hair powder, which I'm super excited about. And you just open it up like this. It's got a very nice, pleasant scent to it. And then you can just dab it on real quick in an area where you want to have that volume and that texture. Then what you do is you just simply work the product through, and then, believe it or not, yes, within seconds, this is going to soak up any sort of oils. Let's just say your hair is a little bit, oily or greasy from the last couple of days. You don't want to wash your hair, and then boom, within seconds, now your hair is ready to go. It's styled, it has some volume and some texture. Look at that, literally within seconds. This is all real time. This is not, no gimmicks, no scams. This is all real time styling as a professional hairstylist. So look at that, you're ready to go out the door, and then let's just say you get to work, you run to the bathroom, you're like, oh, I have a hair out of place, I don't like this. Well, you can go in and manipulate this and rework it. That's the magic of layering products on. And the last thing that I would suggest is, now let's just say maybe you have a wavier hair texture or a curlier hair texture. So you want your hair to be a little more wavy, you want to enhance the curls a little bit. What I would suggest is, once again, go in with 25 spray, give it a good shake, and spray it on 1, 2, 3, maybe 3 spritzes, 4 the most, just to kind of dampen and re-moisturize the hair. Work it through. Make sure you work that product through. Your hair will obviously be a little more damp because of the product. Then what you want to do is take Tidal Wave. Tidal Wave is my #1 best-selling product. It's my sea salt spray. It's going to give you that, look at that, it's like you're in the ocean, see? It's going to give you that light volume and light texture that your hair needs. Do not overspray Tidal Wave. I'm telling you, the more you spray it like traditional products, you see them spraying on 9, 10, 15 spritzes like it's water. You don't want to do that with this, and that's where you're getting the value. This is a premium product. All you need is, watch this. Cover the eyes. 1, 2, 3, maybe one more for good luck. That's it. 3 to 4 spritzes. And then what you want to do is start to scrunch your hair. scrunch. Look, see, I'm grabbing and scrunching, grabbing and scrunching. And then all you need to do, believe it or not, remember, you're out the door, you got to get to school, you got to get to whatever it is, wherever it is you're going. Scrunch that hair, set it, and then forget it. And then as your hair dries, don't touch it. As your hair dries, it's going to give you the shape that you're looking for, because that's what the product does. These products, all my hair products, aside from being created by myself as far as, between the formulations, the performance, me testing them, these are all handcrafted products. I designed these to be used by to have hair professional quality. Meaning that when I was working in a salon or I was seeing clients, I wanted products that were going to be very effective for me as a hair professional. So these products are designed to be advanced for you. So it's like if you were a professional hairstylist, that's how I made these products. So you're going to get results in a way differently than what you may get from traditional hair products that weren't formulated, one, by a hair professional, and two, someone who's never done hair before in their life. That's the biggest difference between my stuff and other brands. So you're going to let this air dry, and then you're going to get the look that you're looking for. So you can easily style your hair. If you don't want to wash it in the morning, you can, again, on fully dry hair, always start with 25 spray, then blow dry the hair, and you can then utilize a sea salt hair powder or use Tidal Wave. Use code YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.